she's gonna show you.
I'm acting silly. Y'all get out of here.
Ready?
You got to throw it, honey. You got to throw it.
I will.
You want me to throw you?
You're right up.
Throw it way out there, overhanded.
He comes one at the camera.
Watch out.
Piece of gum.
Whoa.
Come here, Lane. I'll take you up first. Come on, baby.
Heads up. Where?
Lane, up.
Christina's getting hit in the head.
I'm over here getting hit.
Hang on, Lane.
Oh, I don't
Hey,
like
Lane.
this here.
Lane.
There you go.
Ah, here comes the handful.
Hey!
Did you get it? She got hit in the head.
It's okay.
Turn around and get the candy.
What about all this candy out here?
Hold your bucket up.
Hold your buckets up, see if you got your
Let me see.
All right, two more. I got some on the floor.
There you go.
Nicholas. Pick them up. We don't want one. Candy.
Here comes some more.
Ah, that's it.
Laney, there's a piece right there. There's some right there.
Thank you all for coming.
Thank you.
Who got the money?
There's a whole bunch of surprise eggs.
There's a bunch of
You got money?
Dale,
money in them.
I wish you'd stayed around.
Okay, come to the back.
Oh,